Samoa's natural waters are special. Something goes in there, comes out different. Natural Samoa water, the taste of nature in a bottle.
Talapalava Samoa, I'm Jack Ty Laban. For any competition, I'm all about speed, skills, culture, and of course, my sexy. Wa'ualia.
O lawin siwa e au wala i se te unga tupe mo le lumanai manuia. E mole puipuinga tau tupe o lo soifua, mai mawhai o na taunu no atu, mo so se mafua anga i te whina ngalo iai.
Samoa Life, le insiua mo tangata nuu o Samoa.
We're here to give the opportunity to people for full-time work in New Zealand as a skilled worker, so trades, carpenter, mechanic, or anyone who's successful with the quota.
Billy Magay wa bawa. Kopi banguele kapungia. Komperiro pen bawa ngai.
Afio mai nei loy le Federal Pacific Finance no so mana onga tau tupe bas.
Realize today that we are only your servants, to do the best in our lives as we still alive, to serve you faithfully in every area that you have assigned us to. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Ua ngā koa le atau tau lelei, ina o te tomo le ata atau manu, ai whaifo le ata atau manu, ai mai le whaitau Samoa o ata ata whasia. O ta oto ai nei, i lango tonu le sā na teo wholau mua au mamau, a wā o tini le uto, o tau le ai, e pēi le upu e whaiva i vai. O lea lea, o tu mati e le papa i ngā rangala. Ina ua ae, mana manu malo e whaiva o tau tai. E ave ailo u leo whaatau waa, e whai mafonga tau mori, e malo i pona whaatono o le Universite a Wao, Samoa, whaatalo whaatu ai, e mamalo i pūlenga i le Universite, sa whainga Polopesa, e mamalo i Autostala, whaapea le loa loa le au whainga wenga, Tainane le mamago Samoa Poto, mawhaafonga mai le nei tu la. Yeah, greetings to everyone. It is my absolute pleasure on behalf of the NUS Council to welcome you all to our Papa Ingalangala NUS campus on this special occasion. Talofa to our staff, our esteemed professors, and especially a warm welcome to members of the Fourth Estate or our media, including their president, ladies and gentlemen. It's really great to have you all here today. Thank you very much for availing your time to celebrate and publicly acknowledge the appointment of our new NUS professors. These professorial promotions highlight the exceptional scholastic and educational achievements and dedication of these outstanding academics. Their work has not only contributed towards the growth of this university, but also the development of Samoa, the Pacific region, and beyond our distant shores. The newly appointed NUS professors are Tupuisa'a Dr. Patila Amosa, also NUS Vice Chancellor and President, Professor of Environmental Science, Faculty of Science. Funemalafai, Dr. Taimai Imo Sewoti, Dean, Faculty of Science, Professor of Environmental Science, Faculty of Science. Thirdly, Tuiloma Dr. Susana Tawa'a, Professor of Geography, Faculty of Arts. And fourthly, Dr. Anita Latai Nusulu, Associate Professor of Geography, Faculty of Arts. So, it is significant to note that these professors are a reflection of the history of NUS. To date, Professor Tuifisa Apatila was a student of the first foundation class, or UPY, which started our 5-Talar University. This was in early 1984. Professor Funemalafai Taima was one of the first Bachelor of Science degree holders awarded by the NUS when it had reached that level of program delivery and qualification. Professor Tuiloma Susana is one of the first 2 PhD graduates of the National University of Samoa, again awarded when it had reached that level of qualification provision at PhD level in development studies under the auspices of the NUS Center of Samoan Studies. Associate Professor Anita Latai Nusulu represents the ongoing professional development of the National University of Samoa for sustainability as younger staff members follow suit for academic achievement and excellence. The appointment of professors is the norm for the development of academic leadership in any respectable university, and NUS is no different as it draws near to its 40th year since establishment. Eligibility for professorial roles require academic staff to demonstrate excellence in research scholarship, in teaching and education, and in leadership and service to the community. Evidence in these areas is compiled by the applicants and assessed by a panel comprised of local academics and representatives of the community, as well as overseas professors from reputable universities. Including the new appointees, there are now 3 associate professors and 8 professors at the National University of Samoa. The appointment of Tuisa'a, Tuiloma, Funemalafai, and Dr. Anita not only recognizes their professional and academic achievements, but also verifies the continuing development of the NUS in its service to Samoa through providing an educated and qualified workforce. Their continued research also highlights current situations and problems, whether they be local, regional, or global, as they collaborate with other academics and universities worldwide. Such combined efforts in the pursuit of knowledge and understanding to provide solutions to challenges and problems shared on a global scale is very much part of the professorial role and responsibility. Climate change, for example, features as a shared regional and global concern, not only in the field of environmental science, but also in the arts and other disciplines. The serious social impacts are acknowledged and studied in search of solutions which are relevant, safe, and sustainable in the context of different societies, especially our own here in the Pacific region. Just a few more details about our new professors before I finish, because in fact, they're quite shy and do not like the limelight and won't divulge or discuss their achievements at length, but I shall gladly disclose with pride. Professor Tuifisa Apatila is the current Vice Chancellor and President. She is a trailblazer, being the first female Vice Chancellor at NUS, and previously to hold both Associate Professor and Deanship positions during her time at the faculty. Professor Patila holds a BSc from Flinders University and Masters and PhD from the University of Otago, New Zealand. She is a respected administrator at NUS, having served as UPY Coordinator, Head of Department, Dean, and Senate Representative to the NUS Council. Professor Patila is an internationally recognized expert in ocean acidification with expertise in environmental science, climate change, and chemistry. She has played a key role in developing national plans and strategies, including monitoring in these areas. As an academic of international standing, she has taught, supervised, examined, and developed programs across the NUS curriculum from foundation to master's level in the sciences, as well as TVET. She has also served as a curriculum developer and examiner for National Secondary School Sciences and Biology. Under Professor Patila's leadership as Dean from 2016 to 2023, the Faculty of Science successfully developed in key areas such as research, teaching programs, climate change, the environment, and ICT, all priority areas in the NUS strategic and corporate plans. Professor Patila has built a strong network of partners across the Pacific region and internationally through collaborative projects with organizations such as MNRE, SPRED, USB, the Ocean Foundation, Massey University, the Australian National University, and New York University. She is also a member of various international bodies such as International Science Council, the Commonwealth of Learning, to name a few. With extensive publications in international journals and presentations at major international conferences, Professor Patila has played a pivotal role in scientific studies of national and international significance at NUS. These include national microbiological and chemical assessments of water quality across all water sources, ridge to reef, analyses of chemical properties of soil in Samoa, evaluation of the phytochemical composition of ethanolic extracts from Samoan medicinal plants, distribution of heavy metals in sediments at commercial and fishing ports in Samoa, water quality assessments using various methods with a particular focus on exploring the impacts of ocean acidification on the dissolution of biogenic skeletons. Professor Funemalafai Taimai Masayoti is also an accomplished academic with many milestones and years of experience as an educator. She was the first NUS graduate in the Bachelor of Science program and then a master's and PhD in marine and environmental science from the University of Ryukyus, Japan. Professor Taimai is also the first academic to currently hold full professorship and deanship under the revised NUS regulations. As a seasoned academic, Professor Taimai has taught, supervised, examined, and also developed programs across the National University of Samoa curriculum from foundation to master's level in the sciences as well as TVET. She has also served as a curriculum developer, advisor, examiner for National Secondary School Sciences and Chemistry. In the area of research, Professor Taimai serves as chair of the Faculty of Science Research Committee, providing mentoring to faculty, staff, and students in research methods. She has presented at national and international conferences and has extensive publications in international journals. She has played a pivotal role in scientific studies of national and international significance at NUS, including national biological and chemical assessments of water quality across all water sources, ridge to reef, analysis of chemical properties of soil in Samoa, evaluation of the phytochemical composition of ethanolic extracts from Samoan medicinal plants, study on the distribution of heavy metals in sediments at commercial and fishing ports in Samoa. She has also assessed the impact of sand dredging along the coastal waters of the villages here in Polu. She has also been involved in collaborative research projects with local government ministries such as MNRE, MOH, as well as regional partners such as University of Papua New Guinea, SPRED, USB, Australian National University, Swinburne University, University of Ryukyus, and the University of Zanzibar in Tanzania. Regional collaborations include projects such as EduLink, PaceNet, Pacific Latitude Survey, UBA-C Museum Digitization Project, and Regional STEM Academy Project. Professor Taimai is also an expert in marine and environmental environmental chemistry and has played a key role in developing national plans and strategies. These include monitoring areas such as marine and environmental science and climate change. The joint establishment of the School of Maritime Training for Seafarers, together with the Faculty of Science, Marine and Environmental Research Laboratory at Molinuu, has been a key development for NUS interdisciplinary collaborations. For Professor Tuiloma Susana Tawa'a, she too is a respected academic in her field. She holds a Master's of Arts in Geography from Flinders University and a PhD in Development Studies from the Center of Samoan Studies at NUS. From the university. A senior academic and former dean of the Faculty of Arts, Professor Susana commenced teaching at NUS in 1995, serving the university in various roles: administrator, teacher, educator, researcher, and mentor. Her teaching has included curriculum development from foundation to postgraduate and master's levels. She has also been instrumental in developing the humanities at NUS to what it is today. Professor Susana's research has focused on the social and economic well-being of Pacific people, particularly the gendered aspects of labor markets, transport, natural catastrophes and disasters, land tenure practices, and resource management issues in Samoa. Her other research areas include spatial extent and intensity of socio-economic change in Samoa, gender stereotypes, gender issues in Samoan culture, rural development and land use planning in Samoa, trade, tourism, and the informal economy, soil and land erosion, climate change, and health issues. She has also been involved in water resources management and has published and presented extensively in regional and international forums in many areas of research. Her other highlights of her distinguished career include leading the social sciences department team research on child vendors in Samoa. This study was conducted on behalf of MSIL and funded by ILO and UNICEF. In collaboration with academics from the ILO, from the universities of Victoria in Wellington, Otago University, as well, she conducted impact studies related to well-being in parenting and child development. Professor Susana has also implemented and published studies on the impact of technical and vocational education, TVET, training on household well-being. This was considered a flagship study because it recognizes the important role of parents and family support and commitment to higher education for their children in the trades. We come finally, last but not least, to Associate Professor Anita Latai Nusulu. Associate Professor Anita is a human geographer and the head of the Department of Social Sciences at the National University of Samoa. She holds 2 undergraduate degrees, Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Education Secondary from Central Queensland University. Additionally, she holds a postgraduate diploma in arts subjects, a Master of Arts in Geography with distinction, and a Doctor of Philosophy from Otago University, New Zealand. A senior and respected academic, she has served at the National University of Samoa for over 20 years. A leading academic in her field also, Anita's research interests and expertise include geographic issues such as of environmental changes and human resilience to climate change and other environmental challenges. Anita's research on climate change and community resilience in Samoa challenges the use of indicators and methods for resilience that are rooted in Western science and neoclassical economics by presenting a more appropriate paradigm of resilience, that is, the non-equilibrium cultural ecological lens for the Samoan context. Anita's research experience and knowledge related to working with local Samoan communities has enabled her to provide critical insight into ethical and cultural sensitive behavior and methodologies when working with communities in the Pacific. She has published her experiences as a Samoan female geographer, conducting research with communities in her own country, and she was able to identify some key lessons for other researchers working in Samoa. Her research into how 2 coastal villages affected by the 2009 tsunami in Samoa responded by making conscious shifts inland was also a reflection of adaptation and resilience towards climate change and its social impacts. Recently, Anita has been involved in several research projects, including one with colleagues from within the National University of Samoa, Auckland University of Technology, and the Victoria University of Wellington, which explores nature-based solutions and approaches to adapt and mitigate the converging resilience challenges of climate change and urbanization. Other ongoing research projects include one with colleagues from the University of Otago, which explores the experiences of children living in Pacific urban areas. With colleagues from the University of Auckland, she is also researching short-distance circular migration or micromobilities in Samoa and the Pacific. The research also looks to finding a local adaptive strategy to avoid and reduce risks, both posed by environmental challenges such as climate change. So, ladies and gentlemen, all these and more to be continued. This is part 1, and there will be part 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a never-ending life of research and teaching for the professors. But it also is part and parcel of professorial achievements. It's part and parcel of the work and contribution of the National University of Samoa to national, regional, and international development. It is for a better Samoa, for a better Pacific region, and a better world community. We take part in that as well. It is a reflection of their efforts and achievements, but I also wish to pause and acknowledge all who have been part of the support system, which makes academic work possible. Without our parents, our spouses, our children, our extended families, our friends, our faith communities, workplace colleagues, support systems in the university, such as cleaners, allied workers, secretaries, technical supporters, and all other networks, together with our education sector and other ministries, we would not be able to reach our goals as individuals and as a university. So today, with heartfelt thanks, we acknowledge these very important people who are part of our everyday lives as academics. It is my absolute honor to congratulate once again the achievements and contributions of these outstanding individuals and scholars. God bless everyone today. Thank you again for coming. I now wish for the hula to be presented to the 4 professors of Tailava. Ladies and gentlemen, as I said, I was quite willing to read and make general public of the achievements of these outstanding academics, which also contributes to the outstanding developments of the NUS. Press conference. Q&A session. Ini kasi mo na professor. Tala po. Welcome to ask the professors any questions you may have or make any comments that you may wish to express. I can make a start. For me personally, Morimbi inga man whaatai lea tua o na o le ola mare marosi sa whaakeo na maua tau sama mawai na mawhaina whaatino ngā ruenga wālai o na ausia le nei koi atu la mai tono le universite no na lua i e moli le whaatai le pono o le universite po le council pona o le amana ia o le tustau sanga tu ina atu le amatanga tau sanga mo le nei amanoa a sa whapea o na whai ei lo longa al komiti ale whono o le universite matali ai le tau sanga le mole tue whaatai o na le amana ia o ngā ruenga sa whaatino a i vaina ese peo na tau noa i ei le sunga le whionga ia le tutui manu a sila i o whapea ai o na au sia mai nei tu langa ia whaatai ia mana whaatai mure muri o na ngā ruenga sa whaatino whapea o na au sia ai le nei langa i o ngā ruenga sa whaatino a whapeo o ia tono le sa whainga whaasai nisi po le Faculty of Science i au le e mamoni whaasai whaakitoa ia o colleagues in the Faculty of Science o na tere lamo sue ngai pe na lau watu le whonga le asu e le mawhai e stamatai to atasi o na whai o na ese to mai e taun whaatino ai e suenga I'm talking about the research so we had and still have a strong research team in the Faculty of Science. Olo whawa pele ngā rui so tau au whati noi na o nisi po usu e ngau whape pata atia monu mana i a peo sitana le mai a tea whatai. Mori ko whakatai e ke mitu whātono e University of Samoa whapea koe matu lenga i le amana ia koe tau tuaro ni tāta ia o ngā ruenga le i mai whaia mo tata University ia o alu mana i manu ia o alu whanau Samoa whakatai Fono whātono le Mr. Awau. Ia, a pia fo i le awhio mai o swa professor e na mua i malai e o le tia. Ia whapia fo i ia le whio mai a sanga Dr. Caroline. Ia ai reise ia la mentor le whio mai a Professor Sila Fau. E o la tau ia na mua i malai. Na whai ma whātai ta ina. Sala tau le sale le masu o le tai au le tau amatai no tata university le nai was down no atu le fiona mai tai professor pro chancellor ma ua afia o mai fo i manatu sa pia faali ona pe o le fiona mai tai vice chancellor sa mo i malai le foundation ia te siva ban fa i o wa no so mai lai ia ole ola ngā ruenga lava leo tono o onga e la mona ile ole loto ai i le tū wa o mai ai mai le tū e wai le ato toa so now sa no atu e yo ato kusa ia e fa tai i le chair and council of the university therefore I only wish to acknowledge tele o mato ma wenga sa i hinga ma so o uma ona toe au pa tu fatu i le mamalo sa mo ana le se noa the respondents, the community, lea na mātou sa ili masle su e atu iai, lea na ao mai, ma wha mau mau, e tu sai fo i male mātou moto, ia ao Samoa, ia male mātou vision, lea, takai mai, ia dei e ana mātou ngā rue, i whaatino ina, o le vision, o le mission, ato ai fo i ma le anga i tua ana na vai ale miti e nei o le university e le sano i ai e tuna medicina le lima tala e ma fai la me tātou tamata fai o tātou su isu e nga ma tātou sa iwi tātou lava o le tulanga la leo leo ala a fase kuru tau sana fa tai e tua i wha maniana o le wha oloa ina o le malosi mai mama i lātou na mua i malai Peo le ana o whai atu ai mua whaatai le sao mai. Pionga i tamai tai profesa o whaulu runga ese o maenga ese o le universite. Ai mai se foi whanau. Watu mai le trust. Ale ala tunu. Nai mātou te hao ina. Ma o tau ina. Ma olo it's a two-way learning. Te ele fo ia, ta mau a inga, o mātou maua mai, i le hao tawina o whanau. I o le hana wenga la le neiva nei tofina. E le o se tofina, e nā o au. O le hamana ia lea, o le contribution. Ta maitai, na ri ta maitai whaina onga, o mātua, o a inga, o le lao Samoa. Lea na mātou sa ili manomi ai, sa o lea matiu, matiu. Lea sa mātou sa ili mahau mai, ma whai ei nei ngā ruenga. Lea nei o ina tusia ma wha mau. A wā tupulanga lalo waoa. Lea te o si o tau ma whai o te wha Samoa. Ona o le universite o Samoa. Pa amore mi o le lipo kia me kia. Lea mana wha Samoa mo polo festa. O la noi fiale nei. Lea mana o wha alo la. No woman is an island. Jamia Papele, it's a former Motama Fau, it's a matter of the Santa Malu Fatas, Yawa, Olemeale now, Fapeta Mata, I pay Sata, Teliniata, Malwena Safa now, it's a Watamawai, Lene, Famanu Yama, Ele, Ole Malu Fatas, ya, Peona, the sound, Yetuloma. Le sa fai mai I tangata na moe malai, tangata na kato fai ngā mea mawhata si le te leo ia, ngā ruenga wa laio na o le tūla. Ia wa o Professor Sila Fau, wano tia, ma a whamasanga o tangata ia te te whaalono lava e pēr te tūtilo ia. Sila Fau foi nā watu ai vai maunga o whai au mai e ia. So, it's a matter of journey. Sometimes ele ose malanga sa lusao tilele ye no ita sa fe mai ai ye le fo isa fa ye tu I lo fa ya o mai le foundation ye altar ya fa malanga mai what's a pe to tele a fa Mawa ya le lote mawa alona le tele o ya lo fama ni anga le tua ia aile o se ngata anga de be yo sa wa ia le tima no sina the journey goes on e umalo fo I e to atu le fo e paisi ai paktai tele le I le toma malu wa ia mai mo mawina le ni whainga whātuwhanga. Ia masimatu taitai, ia sawi a Dr. Louise, ia mola na lango ma le whamarasi aho mai. I le whaingo fia ko i lea mea o le apalai ai e tatiwhiwhi. Ai whaftain tele la vai i le whono ao mo le amana ia o le tustau sanga sa apati. Ai le ia lava le atua whaftai o lo amano. Proceso le ho mona ka matala tu fo i la ko sama lo ye ko to no ta to te falia le la tu fa tu la ko sama le la tu fa ya fi ai mai si ko pe sa mai i si university ya e lo ma sa ili pe tal pe mai pe ausia e fa ya o ma university o Samoa ya le levo le la sanga le ya tam fa pe ausia pe lo stusa ma fai a tuena tala mano o anga pia malo vita ko ia sia e tamata ine ia papena ko isia tato ko pesa o le a sama si a papia si le pau o wala la mai ia e au sia ko e nga lu fa ta si ko o pesa o si universite o le pe o se tu langa na e fa i wa to ia o tu ta to universite o fa ia ta to fa ia nga lu na fa ta si ko le Samoa Pasifika. Mon le la langi ato. La mana o de pe al le fai mon research, fai mon na buena pa ya o. Tu fa ina ba ya le o tu mana sa mai. Ya sai le si ya. Ai, ta se pa mo le no ke mo le mai sa wa tu ya sa pa ina mai no. No le ma ta no el pe mai ta wa tu no po tu le ka mi ne ko mai ta. Saya ini kita sama dengan lokal berbuat. Ai masalo e o sisi ta sama ta sama vai ta tu ngani o lo o dei ko ini sia wa samo o lo fai ko ila tu na buena lei ya lista to sil ya Professor Sasulea de Faculty of Medicine. Si vamos a encontrar todo la mañana. Ya hay pena por ir professor, emeritus professor. Yeah, Malama Melisea, who has retired. Professor just passed away. Professor Tangata Ese. Associate Professor Tangata Ese. And he said he passed away a few months ago. Patalo papapitua tulis ngaya kui mauna sarona ben pasio ole council member. Dr.